While you may find it challenging to make money in the markets, I've discovered it's become second nature for me, thanks to the signaler indicator. In previous videos, I've shown you the different trades that I've taken over cryptocurrency and forex, and today I'm going to walk you through a Bitcoin trade that I took last week that run me some big profits, and I took profit on this week. Before we get into it, guys, this is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's jump into the video. So now that we're on the charts, I'm going to show you how to get all set up. So first thing that you want to do is you'll want to head over to the indicators here, and you're going to see the invite only and the signaler will be sat here. Click the signaler on your charts, minimize this part here, and you can see that it is now on your chart. When using this indicator, we like to switch from the normal candles and we like to move over to the Heikin Ashi candles. Now you'll find that up here, and if you can't, then it will be in the drop down here below, and you can see it right down there. To quickly run through how this indicator works for those who haven't seen my previous videos, here you get given a short signal which is in the red, and here you get given a long signal which is in the blue. If the background runs green, then you are in a bullish trend, and if the background runs red, you are in a bearish trend. Now, when I'm trading cryptocurrency, I only ever look for buys. You won't see me catching a sell trade. And this has given me a really high strike rate. With my last 20 signals, I have made 17 wins. And I'm now going to run you through a trade that I took at the start of last week that I took profit on just yesterday. You'll notice here that the long signal got given at 2 a.m. UTC +1. So I'm currently in the Philippines and I'm normally based in London time, but it wouldn't really matter because the way that you set up alerts is you click the three dots up here and you'll see add alert on the signaler. And the only thing that you might want to change with these settings is the time frame. As you can see, mine is currently set same as chart, which is the 1 hour. This is personally where I like to trade cryptocurrency, as I find it's a happy medium for the way I personally like to trade. Once you're happy with that, go ahead, click create, and your alert will be on. You will get the alerts coming through on your phone app, you will get them on your desktop, and if you really want them, they'll come through on your email. I personally have mine set to my phone app, as my phone is always on me and it can set the alert off in the middle of the night if it needs to. I just wake up, I put the trade on, and I go back to sleep. I'm going to talk you through the trade that I took last week, so let's zoom in a little bit. You can see here that a long signal was given on this candle here, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set your entry on that particular candle close, and you're going to put your stop loss below the trend line. So at this particular point, the trend line was here, so my stop loss goes here, and your take profit is really just a personal preference. A strategy that I have been using is I like to let them run. And as I let them run, I like to be a little bit more savvy. I try and get my stop loss to break even as soon as possible. So once this high here was created, as soon as it got broken here, you'll see me move my stop loss up to the break-even point there. So just to put that on the chart so you can see exactly where that point was, it's right here. So as that broke there, my stop loss went to break even, so my risk was completely off the table. You can see here that the profit was just building and building as the days went on. So to drag this over, you can see that we ran all the way here until the short signal was called. We're going to draw the line down to the point that the signal was called, and this is where I exited my trade. You can see that it was a 2.28R. To explain that 2.28R in terms of profits, if you were risking 1%, that is a 2.28% increase. If you were risking $1,000, you've just made $2,280. If we're going to be real, when you get an alert on your phone to wake up, put that trade on and just let it run, That's not a hard job to do to earn profits in the market. In previous videos, I've shown you 6Rs, I've shown you 4Rs, I've shown you even an 8R, and that is some big profits for not a lot of work. The signaler indicator really has made my life super simple, super easy, and super profitable. We're going to go over to the Telegram, and to find that, the links are in the description below, so go ahead, click those and follow me on this tutorial. We're now in the Telegram, and you can see here that there are many different ways for you to join. You have the 1 month subscription, you have the 3 months, the 1 year, you have the signals that you can join as well, or you can just go ahead and grab the lifetime bundle. In terms of profits and what's worth it long term, it would really be the lifetime bundle, which is what I personally have myself. So all you have to do is go ahead and click this, and you will be directed to the next page, which is the click and pay by crypto. So again, click that, you'll be directed to the crypto bot, and go ahead, click start, and you have so many different ways to pay in cryptocurrency. Personally, I like to put my crypto into USDT and pay that way, as USDT is a stable coin, and if you're taking your time with the payment, it means that the monetary value will not change. So go ahead, click USDT and get signed up. Once you are signed up, especially with the bundle, you'll get access to the Signaler VIP page, which is where you can see other people within the community making gains on their profits. As you scroll up, you can see that they do have signals that they give. So again, super easy, just get logged in, put the parameters in and make more money, guys. You can see here 674% on a long, 968% on a long, 167%. The profits just keep on coming, guys. This is really not worth it for you to miss out on. As you can see from the video that I've now shown you, this is not an opportunity that you would want to pass on. This is easy money, guys. This is something that can change your life. So all the links that you need are in the description below. And if you want to go ahead, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be alerted on my next video.